Hey guys, welcome back to PopItDk, and we are really honored by seeing the huge response that we are getting in the last few videos. Thanks a lot for that, and let's get started with today's video, which is about how to get the call details of any number, be it any operator, be it Jio, be it VI, or be it Airtel. So we will be discussing one by one, starting with Jio and then VI and finally Airtel. And please stay tuned till the end, because getting the call details of Airtel number is the most unique method we have used, and we can get the call details just within a fraction of a second. So let's get started.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
To get the call details of any Jio number, you need to log into the My Jio application, which I have already done. You need to just put the OTP and you can log in. Then come to this menu option and then select the statement option right here. And after going to the statement option, you can select the dates for which you want the statement. I'll be selecting as 30 days and I'll be clicking on download statement, and the statement will be downloaded. For VI, you need to download the VI application from Play Store and log in using OTP. And after logging in, the portal will be like this. You need to come to My Account and then you can select this usage history option, and then after usage history, you need to come to call and SMS section and you need to click on Get Prepaid Bill. After clicking on Get Prepaid Bill, you will be seeing the options of the month. I'll be selecting as December 22 and you can click on Email Bill. And here I have received the encrypted bill. I need to come to this bill and here I'll be viewing the PDF file. You can see the bill is right here. For Airtel, it is the most trickiest one yet the easiest one, and for this you need to come to your inbox and send a message to 121, which is the customer care helpline number for Airtel, and you need to type e-pre-bill followed by the month for which you need the call details followed by your email address. I'll type my email address right here and I'll send it. And you can see after sending, within 1 to 2 minutes I'll be receiving the mail as well as a message stating that the call details has been sent. I have received the message stating that the call details has been sent to my email address. Now I'll quickly jump to my email address and I'll check for the bill. Yeah, I have received the bill and here is the bill. I just need to open it and the call details will be right in front of me. Yeah, that's it. So the call details are right here. So this was how you can get the call details of any number, be it any operator. Hope this video was useful, and don't forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button. Bye bye, see you and take care.